it's probably gonna have a lot of leftovers. Um, and then it's spilled in the bag, so it's a little bit messy. But you know, the messy foods are the best tasting ones. Sorry about the noises. Yeah, it's spilled. My hands. Anyway, before I begin, sorry. No more noises. Before I begin, let me just do some shout outs. Shout out to Johnny Hilton, Laura from Texas, Maggie Meza, Maya Wenger, and Sukwamcha Stinkles. I didn't get all the shout outs in because I really wasn't gonna do shout outs because I just got home and I just decided to take what I already print screened and the rest was. But let me show you what it is. It's messy because some of it's spilled in the bag. This is the curry chicken. So here's curry chicken. This is curry potato and chana, or what you guys might know as chickpeas. And this is bhaji, or it's kalalubush, but call it bhaji sometimes. It's bhaji, and this is pumpkin. I've made a roti video before, and you guys loved it, and I loved it, and I love roti. It's my favorite local dish. Sorry about the noise. And this is a roti skin. I bought two just in case, because I love roti skin. Well, at least this type I love. This is just roti skin. I have no idea how it's made, but I know it's predominantly flour. So okay, noises are finished. I'm excited to eat. Make sure everything is recording. Yep, so let's dig in. Oh my god, it smells so good. I also have a fresh juice. It's orange pineapple. Oh my gosh. And this is how we eat it. You dig it with your hands. Hallelujah. I'm so hungry, guys. You have no idea. I'm not even exaggerating. You take it with your hands. This is the thing. The reason why I'm showing you this is because I saw doubles. You know, doubles. I've eaten doubles. It's kind of similar to this. It's also East Indian. These are whatever. The doubles I saw, they had it on, I think it was ABC or BBC or one of those news stations, American news stations, and they featured doubles, and I was really happy to see that. But they were eating it wrong. They were eating it like a sandwich, and they weren't like using your hands to, you know, it was kind of weird. So this is how you eat roti and doubles, basically. And they were like, it's so messy, but they were doing it wrong. It is kind of messy to eat doubles, but if you used the skin to grab it, it's not really gonna get your hands messy, but you probably will anyway. But oh, by the way, please don't judge me because my hat, I'm gonna take it off. I just realized I had the wrong hat. It has marijuana on it. I don't smoke, I promise. But I love that hat. That's my favorite one. I love black and red hats. I don't know why. That's my favorite. I was so thirsty. Like I said, I just came from Port of Spain. The sun is really hot. And I had to walk up that hill. I live on a hill. I had to walk up the hill. I don't drive. I had to walk up the hill. After I took a taxi, the hill is not a very long walk, but this is heaven. I love the pumpkin. And the bhaji as well. It's so good. This is also one of those things that not a lot of people know how to make it correctly. So, I wouldn't suggest getting it from I don't know. It's just one of those things that it could taste a lot of different ways if you make it incorrectly. And it doesn't take much for it to be considered incorrectly made. Guys, I'm full already. But this is heaven. Bit of chicken. Have I ever told you guys that my barber gives me tingles? It's kind of weird. I'm always falling asleep when I'm getting a haircut. I'm so full, this is like really filling. Guys, I'm full. It's not that it's not tasting good, like I could literally force it all, but I wouldn't probably enjoy it because I'm really full. For some reason I didn't eat anything all morning. I think it's because my stomach shrinked. When I don't eat for a long time, my stomach shrinks and I like have gas or something. So I get full really quickly. Amazing juice. It says it's pure juice, like organic juice, but it says orange juice, pineapple juice, filtered water, cane sugar. No artificial flavoring or preservatives. So then how does it stay preserved? I wonder how fast it expires. No artificial flavorings or preservatives. It's hella good though. It actually does taste like natural stuff, but it's expensive as well. It's like $10 for that bottle of juice. Let's see if I could get some more in because it's so good. My roommate would also be happy if I had bought some for him, but I didn't. Because he's at work right now, and I'm at home. Okay, I'm done. They give you a really huge portion. For your money. Chicken. I actually didn't prepare at all for this video. There's a lot of shoutouts I missed, and it was just because I came home and I was hungry. I decided, it has to be done. But yeah, I didn't prepare at all. So if I miss your shoutouts, you know why. I just wanted to, include a special segment. I just pulled up my YouTube and I found one of the comments for the special segment. So I'm gonna use this person because that's the first person I see. So here goes. Desiree says, I didn't get ASMR or a feeling of relaxation from sounds until I was in high school. I remember going from not liking the way this girl behind me would chew her gum to being fixated on it for some reason. Then when I was a senior, I was in computer class and all the typing sounds would start to make me relaxed and sleepy. And I would offer gum to my friends around me because I liked the way it sounded. Wow. When I went, she put when I went is when I went to college, I finally looked up typing sounds on YouTube. Because I figured there had to be something, and the first video I saw was Gentle Whispering's gum chewing and typing video. I don't think I ever saw that one. Well, yeah. Sorry, like a year after that, I listened to ASMR videos every night to fall asleep. When before I would need to take sleeping pills, or else it would doing like work, schoolwork, or homework, or anything, like ASMR would it would make me drowsy, like really. My hands are messy. But that's what happens when you're eating roti. It's so good. It's worth it. I promise you guys. Come to Trinidad and taste your roti. I'm being an ambassador for my country, okay? Oh, by the way, have you guys heard of the scandal that's been on the news? Like Trinidad has been on the news for something really bad. It's the FIFA vice president, ex-vice president, which is Jack Warner. He is involved in some corruption thing, and yeah, he's been on the news constantly because he's in Trinidad. Well, he went to jail. He went to jail on bail for $2.5 million. He paid it off, but he stole money from FIFA or something like that. I'm really not too concerned about it because I try not to follow the negativity. But he's in jail. Well, so yeah, but he's constantly on the news and like really tarnishing like the country's name. But I just wanted to know if you guys have heard about it or if it's just Trinidad has heard about it because we're from Trinidad and we know it's about us, so we're just following it up so much. But yeah, he's really been destroying our name. I'm gonna bite the bone. I'm not gonna put it back in the food because there's a lot of food left. I'm not sure how I couldn't finish it, but usually I would. Maybe it's because I had so much water. I had so much water when I came from Port of Spain, well, town. Oh, by the way, Desiree, thank you for sharing your story. I never really got tingles from chewing gum though. But thanks a lot. It's interesting that you gave out free gum. I would love to be in your class. I love chewing gum. Anyway guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video. Sorry if it was short, I'm not sure. I enjoyed this food and I'm gonna eat the rest later. It's a lot. I have extra roti skin. Maybe I could share some with my roommate or whatever the case. But guys, I'm going to edit this video as soon as possible. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave your story about how you got involved or how did you discover ASMR on YouTube. I would be happy to share. So thanks guys, bye.